So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Next, you want to go to search and type in view advanced system settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, under performance, you want to click on settings. And then click on advanced. And then click on change. And now this will come up. And now once we're here, you want to untick this box and then click on custom size. Now we're going to go to search again and type in calculator. Click on it. For the initial size, you want to times your RAM by 1.5. So for me, I've got 8 GB of RAM, so I'm going to type in 1024 times 8 because 1024 is 1 GB of RAM. So for me, I'm going to do 1024 times 8 because I've got 8 GB of RAM and then click on equals. So in your case, if you have 16 GB of RAM, you want to type in 1024 times 16. You want to times this number by 1.5. So times 1.5, click on equals, and then type in this number right here. Next, you want to type in your RAM number from earlier times by 3 for the maximum size. So for me, my RAM in megabytes, let me just clear all of this. It's 8192. I'm going to times this number now by 3 and then click on equals. So times your RAM megabytes by 3 and then you're going to get this number here. You want to type it into the maximum size. Once you do all of that, click on set and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. Once you do all of this, the problem should be fixed. Other things you can try is you want to disable overclocking and you can reduce the graphics settings of the game that you're playing. You can also reinstall the DirectX end user runtime web installer. There's going to be a link to this down below in the description.